Alright, boys and girls, welcome to KAROL G. I'm playing around with a great song. It's KAROL G and Drake, Ahi. I think that translates into there in English. And that's a new album from KAROL G. And English, I don't regret feeling so much. That is the title of the new album. And this one is a great song. Before we move on with this tutorial, it's a very simple one. I need to just highlight my new channel. I want to focus on this. It's called KAROL G Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Okay, I'm in urgent need for help from you guys. I need to grow that channel, so I need your help. If you can go there, subscribe to that channel. That is the best way to thank me for all the work I'm doing here on this channel. And by the way, you're gonna learn a full song there from A to Z, chord shown on the screen. So that's a great way of teaching or actually learning a full song. So thank you for support, guys. Now let's focus on Ahi. We have 3 chords only, so keep on third. That will be the absolute best scenario for us. 3 simple chords with that setup. So we're gonna look into the C, E minor, and D. So C first. That goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have E minor next. That goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally we have the D. And that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And this one is played in the same way through the entire song. We love that scenario, very common strumming pattern. So if you grab the first chord C, and by the way, you're gonna play this chord progression in the same order through the entire song, if I didn't mention that. So down, up, clap, down. That's one round of strumming. So one down, a short pause, and then up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down. You're gonna play C, 2 strum rounds, then E minor, 4, and D, 2. That's it. So C, E minor, stay on that one, and D, 2, and that's one round. Back to add sound. Alright, just played around with that a little bit. You gotta have to find your notes on your own. If you don't want to do that, you can, yeah, maybe leave me a comment. I can see what I can do about that. So, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this song. If you're a fan of this new album, then make sure you stay tuned here. We're gonna have more songs coming out. So, thank you so much. Play tuned.